Sales mix refers to the proportion of each product or service that a company sells relative to its total sales. It's a key concept in business and finance, especially when analyzing revenue, profitability, and market trends. For example, let's say a company sells 3 products, A, B, and C. If product A accounts for 60% of total sales, product B accounts for 25%, and product C accounts for 15%, that's the sales mix. What is a product, sales mix, product line, and product item? A product sales mix is the combination of all product lines sold by the business. Companies may have multiple product lines contributing to a large product mix. A product is an item or service offered to a customer to solve a problem or fulfill a desire. It can be physical, digital, or a blend of both. A product line is a group of related products that a company offers under a single brand. These products typically share similar characteristics, target the same market segment, and fulfill similar needs. It is as a collection of similar products that are sold by the same company. The key thing to remember about sales mix and products is that a business needs to have a mixture of product lines to have a product mix. A company can have many product lines, but only one product mix. Importance of sales mix. The sales mix is significant because not all products have the same profit margins. Some products may be more profitable than others, meaning that changes in the sales mix can lead to variations in overall profits, even if total sales remain constant. For example, if a company introduces a new low-profit product and aggressively markets it, this could lead to an increase in total sales but a decrease in overall profit margins. Conversely, focusing on higher-margin products can enhance profitability even if total sales volume declines. Understanding the sales mix helps companies identify top-selling products. Different products or services may have varying profit margins. By understanding the sales mix, companies can identify which products contribute most to their bottom line. Make informed pricing and marketing decisions, forecast revenue and profitability, resource allocation. Knowing the sales mix helps companies allocate resources, such as marketing budget, production capacity, and inventory management, more efficiently. Calculation. How to calculate sales mix. Determine the total sales revenue for each product or service and/or product line. Calculate the percentage of total sales for each product or service and/or product line. To summarize, sales mix analysis is a simple tool that tells you what products are selling the most and the least.